Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy without food coloring. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 cups of water, 6 cups of granulated sugar, wooden skewers, and clean glass jars. To prepare your skewers, dip them in water, then roll them in sugar to create a seed layer. Let them dry for about 1 hour. This gives the crystals something to grab onto as they grow. Next, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 6 cups of granulated sugar. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals are completely dissolved. This creates a clear, thick syrup. Once dissolved, remove the pan from the heat and let the solution cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now it's time to set up for crystal growth. Carefully pour the slightly cooled sugar solution into your clean glass jars. Next, take your prepared, sugared skewers and suspend one in each jar. Use a clothespin to hold the skewer in place, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the jar. This allows ample space for crystal formation. Finally, place your jars in a cool, quiet spot where they won't be disturbed. Patience is key for beautiful rock candy. You should start seeing small crystals form within a few hours, but full growth usually takes 3 to 7 days. During this time, a sugar crust might form on top. Gently break it with a fork. Once your rock candy reaches your desired size, carefully remove it from the solution. Transfer it to an empty glass or jar to dry for 1 to 2 hours, then it's ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.